How to remove someone on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easily you can remove a person from your Snapchat account. So without any further delay, let us get started. First thing first, let's go ahead and launch our Snapchat application. Then get logged into your specific Snapchat account. You will see a page like this. In here, tap onto your Bitmoji on your top left corner. Then scroll below and under Friends, you will see My Friends. Tap it. Under here, you will see a list of all the friends that you have. Now, in order to remove a person, tap onto the name. Tap onto their Bitmoji. Here, you will see their image. Tap onto the three-dot icon on your top right corner. Then here, tap on Manage Friendship. Now, if you would like to block the person, you can also do it. In my case, I'm just gonna tap on Remove Friend, which is equal to unfriending them. Now again, tap on to remove, and that way, this person is no longer your friend. That is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and we will catch you up in our next upload.